So we've been tapping into the entrepreneurial spirit out there, bringing you private sector solutions to cleaning up the Gulf oil spill. Today, bringing you something called the Veraxial Separator. There it is.
There it is.
John DeBella is COO of EVTN. He sold a number of these. He's going to tell us all about it. We're going to run some video here. This is your elevator pitch, John. It's kind of like a big centrifuge that splits oil and water, right?
Yes, the Veraxial is a compact, high-volume oil-water separation device. It's a scalable device. We manufacture multiple units.
How does it work?
Well, what happens is contaminated water comes into the Veraxial separator. A strong vortex is generated that separates the oil from the water. The oil is then discharged into a container, and the water, now clean, is returned back to the ocean. And this whole process happens within seconds. The largest model we manufacture does 3,500 gallons per minute. The next largest model we manufacture does 500 gallons per minute. If we put this in perspective and we look at what is being done currently in the Gulf, the entire fleet is doing approximately 900 gallons per minute. So one of our largest units can do 4 times the volume of the entire fleet.
Where have you used this before successfully in an application like this? Like what's going on in the Gulf? Have you ever?
Well, the Veraxial was developed by us, and we developed it with oil spill recovery in mind. The U.S. Navy is using the Veraxial for oil-water separation. Alaska Department of Environmental Conservation is using it for oil-water separation for oil spill recovery.
How many would we need in the Gulf? You know the size of the spill thus far. We show it on big radars and maps and stuff. We're showing it right now. It's so depressing to watch all this oil coming out. How many of your machines would be needed to deal with this?
Well, you would need many machines. You know, I mean, this oil spill is very broad. But let's look at the numbers. If we deployed just 20 of our smaller units, the Veraxial 4000, in the same span that the entire fleet did 15 million gallons, we would have processed 150 million gallons of oily water. 10 times the volume, and we would have captured 10 times the oil in the same amount of time. The more units we deploy, the more volume of oily water we would capture, process, and more oil we would separate.
Well, we wish you the best of luck. We understand that BP has sent you a letter saying they are looking at your technology. We'll have you back and see they actually purchase some.